guys, what's up? I hope everyone is having a great day today. So you guys, today is actually Saturday, and I don't know about you guys, but a hurricane is out there and it's headed towards us. Okay, so basically today I'm just really trying to get prepared, trying to get all my candles out, everything that I know, if power go out, just in case, we'll have everything together. So like I said, I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you guys are getting yourselves together as well. So yeah, y'all, I'm like super scared. It keeps light dundering and lightning out. So I'm like, babe, I'm gonna need you to come home, because baby boy, I'm scared. Okay, so yeah, y'all, let me go ahead and get myself together and I'll be back. I'm telling you, I had it. Pack light, y'all. Period. Let me show y'all what it look like. Not even that much sun in here because it's so dark outside. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, I was so ugly out here today. It's ugly out here. Let me show you guys what it look like outside. It's so gloomy, and it's like drizzling rain right now. I think it was like today was like a 40% chance of rain, if I'm not mistaken. It's so gloomy and ugly outside today. We can't go outside today, baby, because it is ugly. Let's go to the store. Get her bottle up. I need to go to the store, you guys. I definitely do need to go to the store today because I do need to get some more, like I said, candles and stuff. I'm pretty sure we have enough candles here, but I know Babe was talking about once he gets home, he wanted to go to the store to get some more candles. So I'm definitely not sure what we'll probably end up doing, but I definitely might just need to take that trip. I know yesterday he got some extra masks, so I'm gonna show you guys that. He got some extra masks. He got some of those cloth masks and some of the just regular, regular face masks. So he got 2 packs of these. You guys see that? So he got 2 packs of that, and he got us some of these right here. So he got me a red one, him a red one, me a gray one, and him a gray one, and he also got Amina a new one, a cloth one, because the boys already had a cloth one, so he just got Amina one. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, you guys. I think I'm about to straighten up just a little bit. I really don't need to, but I think I'm just gonna go in the kitchen and touch up, and that's it. So let me close this door, and I guess I'll talk to you guys. What some more of these towels? Definitely need this, okay? I'm basically feeling like I need to do a Queen Niaija Pack Light reaction. Like, y'all, I love that song. I've been singing it all week. Let me know in the comment section below, have you guys heard her new song, or even if you've seen her video, y'all. The video, I think I'm gonna do a reaction right here in this video, period. Okay, well, let me see if I can get done. I'm gonna just wash these little dishes. I don't have much, but I'm gonna do these little dishes and then I'll be done. Pack light. I'm going to be doing a reaction to Queen Niaija Pack Lite. You guys, I already have it pulled up on my tablet. If you guys have not noticed, I've been like literally watching it since the video came out and the song, period. Okay, the girl did the daggone thing, period, y'all. She did the damn thing. Comment below if you think so. Let me show you. Y'all, when she was looking at herself in that vanity mirror, I loved her hair. Her makeup was on point. I love her jewelry, y'all. She looks so pretty.
If you don't get your act together, you might have to act like, ooh, act by. You gon' probably be right back tomorrow, might as well act like. Is this the same car from a ship?
Period. You gonna be back tomorrow, so just go and take a little suitcase. When he picked her up, y'all, that was just too cute. Don't throw that note, Queen. You wrote it, girl. Y'all, she looking so pretty. He packed like, y'all. He had a little suitcase. Y'all, I actually think Tiana Taylor did her thing directing this video for Queen. Y'all, this was actually a pretty video, y'all. Queen looked so good. Body, her hair, makeup, she looked so good, y'all. But I think my favorite part out of the whole thing was probably her in the beginning and the end of the music video, you guys, when she was ironing his clothes, and then the end part where she came outside and actually got in the car. Y'all, I love this video. I just had to come and do a reaction, y'all, and tell you guys my thoughts on it. Let me know if you guys seen this video. Let me know what you guys think about Queen video as well, you guys, because baby, she did that. Okay, I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on this video. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.